yeah, so, and it's labeled. That's a huge plus. But yeah, so this is right. I was tripping. I ain't gonna lie, that's on me. But these are the floor pans, as y'all can see.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block life for so long that I feel bossed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Before we get started, y'all know the routine. Y'all know what's already going on. Hit that like button, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. You know what I'm saying? As simple as that. We're on the road to 3,000 family members here on my YouTube channel. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and then follow my Instagram. It's at 01Deuce, 01Deuce. Follow my Instagram. We're on the road to 2,000 followers on Instagram. So we grinding, you feel me? We trying to do as much as we can. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like button, and then go follow my Instagram after y'all watch this video all the way through. Now, if y'all don't already know, we needed floor pans for the Cutlass. Now, we knew we needed rear floor pans, but we didn't know we needed front. So he ended up calling and showing us the car with the carpet out of the car, and I needed front floor pans too. So I can show y'all a picture in a second, but we needed front and rear floor pans. If I would have known I needed front floor pans before I dropped the car off, I would have ordered it then instead of having to order it now. You know what I'm saying? It's been over a month and probably about 2 weeks, a month or 2 weeks since the car's been gone. So if he would have let me know that earlier, I could have been got the parts. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So for real, at least we got it now, and at least the car can get finished. And y'all know this is a restoration project. It's not a car that's already done, so I don't care about how much work the car actually needs. You know what I'm saying? It got to get done eventually, and I'm glad that we was able to catch it now, and I was able to get it done, or gonna be able to get it done. You know, it's just the fact that I know a lot of people be saying you restoring a junk car, you should just throw the car away. Y'all don't understand, that car has sentimental value to me and my family, you know. So it's not just me throwing the car away, it's me bringing that car back to life, giving it another life, a second life, you know what I'm saying? And I'm having fun doing it. It's not no project that's gonna be done in one night, snap like that, done. Nah, this is, like I said, a full restoration project. The car is getting done from literally head to toe, from the motor to the body to paint to wheels, everything. I'm redoing the entire car, the soft top, the weather stripping, some body work. The motor got touched up to where now it'll crank right up and run perfectly on the original V8 motor. You know, like I said, this is a restoration project. It's not no project that's y'all enter for a giveaway on and it be already done, all y'all gotta do is drive it. Nah, this is a project for me personally. It's a personal project, you know. And that Cutlass is one that I really want to get done the right way, no shortcuts. You know what I'm saying? So getting the front floor pans, it's not really that big of a deal. It's just the fact that I wish I would have known it before now, to where I could have had it done, and everything would have been done with the car. Could have had the car back and all that stuff now. You know what I'm saying? So, but other than that, man, like I said, I want to go ahead and show y'all real quick. Make sure y'all can sit up. Hold on. All right, I want to show y'all what the floor pans look like. I didn't get a really good picture, but I got a good enough picture to where y'all can get the picture. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what's going on. So that's the front floor pans. That's what they look like. As y'all can see, it's pretty rusted out, pretty bad. And y'all can kind of see a little bit of the rear. So like I said, we needed front floor pans, and I got them, and I'm finna show y'all what I ordered. I ordered it from classic to current fabrication.com, and this is what we supposed to have gotten. It's right here, y'all see it. 1986 and 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon front floor pan, right hand and left hand, which I don't think the salon part matter, or I lost my train of thought. Y'all know I just be losing my train of thought, dog. But I don't think it matter if it was a Cutlass Salon or a 442. You know what I'm saying? It's just the year is really what I think mattered, or really just it being a G body maybe. I don't know. You feel me? But I typed it in exactly what my car is, and my car is an '87 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, and it popped up this. And then y'all see the logo, Classic to Current. That's the website, Classic to Current Fabrication.com, and that's what we ordered. You know. So I'm gonna be showing y'all the floor pans. I got them, as y'all can see. There go the big old package right there. So I'm gonna be showing it to y'all. I'm gonna unbox it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what it look like. Hopefully it looks like the picture, you know what I'm saying? Cause I took a little sneak peek. My bad, I didn't even realize I was out of the frame, but I took a little sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? And it didn't look like what the picture was showing, you know, but you feel me? If it works, it works. And I'm gonna drop it off to the mechanic. I'm not gonna bring y'all along because I don't know if he want to be on camera, you know. A lot of people don't like it, so I'm gonna just talk to y'all after I drop off this package to him, and basically just tell y'all what he's saying, give y'all an update. If I can get more pictures of the car, I'm gonna try to. But yeah, this is what we ordered. The 2 front floor pans, right hand and left, front passenger and driver side. So that's what we ordered, and like I said, you feel me? Hopefully it's the right piece. So yeah, it's really it, man. So let me get out. We're gonna start unboxing, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna come back to y'all after I drop off the package. So let's unbox and see what we got. All right, y'all, we outside of the car now, and let's go ahead and try to unbox this, see what we working with. Get all this paper out. I'm not gonna take both of them out, I'm gonna just take one out. Yeah, so, and it's labeled. That's a huge plus. It's labeled. Yeah. So just like that, we got one out. Well, actually, I'm not gonna pull both of them out. Well, I should check it and make sure. Yeah. So as y'all can see, hold on. As y'all right there, right front. My bad about that, y'all. I was having a conversation with my uncle, you know what I'm saying, and I was basically telling him, well, showing him the floor pans so he'll see what they look like, because he was with me when we looked at the Cutlass and what the floor pans look like inside of the car already, and I was just showing him these. So yeah, other than that, man, it looks like the picture that I ordered, you know what I'm saying, and I just hope when he get ready to install it, he don't say it's any complications with it, you know what I'm saying. He is a fabricating shop. He work on motors. They do everything in his shop. He even paint cars. So I've been getting a quote from him of how much he think it'll cost me to paint my Cutlass. But yeah, if y'all can see, this is the floor pans. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pull both of them out, just so I can have them side by side. Go ahead and pull the other one out as well, just so, like I said, they be side by side. Right hand is the passenger side, left hand is the driver. This right hand will look little though. The box empty. Hold on, cause this one don't look like the picture. I'm not even gonna lie. This one look a lot smaller. Look at that. They are even, and this one look a lot shorter, and I don't know why, you know what I'm saying. I really don't. I mean, I understand because this one and then the pedal and all that, but I don't understand why they're not the same length. Because in the picture it showed both of them the same. Why does my phone keep getting out of dark mode? Oh, okay, I was wrong. In the picture they do look different. I didn't notice that till now. As y'all see, the driver one looks a lot longer than the passenger. But yeah, so this is right. I was tripping. I ain't gonna lie, that's on me. But these are the floor pans, as y'all can see. I can't really ask y'all what y'all think about it. We can't really ask y'all that until this stuff get thrown in the car, you know. So, but this is the floor pans. As y'all can see, I did order them. Ain't no cap. And when I say I need to get stuff for the car, when I say I'm getting something, I actually do get it. You feel me? I mean, I can say I'm cheap, but when it comes to these cars, you know what I'm saying, I want to do them right the first time. That way I don't have to go back the second time and redo it, you know. So I'd rather spend the money and do it right the first time than cheat my way out, fugazi my way out, you know what I'm saying, and have to redo it later on and end up spending more money in the end when I just spend the right amount of money and get the right parts the first time. So yeah, I didn't cheat my way out. All I did, I searched for a whole day just to see what I can find, and I ended up spending only, not even gonna lie, it wasn't that bad of a price, but spending only $200 for both of them. That's not a piece, that's for both, and then that's not including what he's gonna charge to fix it, put them in, you know what I'm saying. That was $200 with shipping, and it's legit, you know what I'm saying. It came in just right, came in perfect, you feel me. And the shipping wasn't long. It was literally, I think I ordered this last Friday and today's Wednesday. So business days, it took Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it came Wednesday today. So it took 3 days business. But if you count weekends too, then it was a total of 5 days, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, got my package in, you know what I'm saying. Now, like I said, after we drop this off to him, to the fabricator, to the mechanic shop that the car is at, after we drop it off, I'm gonna come back to y'all for the outro, and I'm gonna just tell y'all what we was talking about, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try to get some more pictures if I can. If not, then I'm not gonna worry about it, you know what I'm saying. But like I said, y'all got the picture, the bigger picture of how bad the floor pans was, because I showed y'all just what I had. But yeah, I'm sorry if I just realized this too not too long ago, while I've been editing these videos. I say but a lot. I'm trying to cut down on it, you know what I'm saying. So, and I say so a lot too. I really didn't notice that till after. But yeah, this is the floor pans. I just said but again. I'm sorry y'all, but I just said it again. I am tripping. You know what, let's just try to finish this video, because I'm gonna start losing my mind, getting frustrated and mad. So this is the floor pans. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. And like I said, it came in fast. It wasn't slow shipping, and it was a really good deal. And it's the fact that they are what the picture showed, you know. So yeah, figure to box this on back up, then yeah, box it back up, put it back in the box, and then drop it off to the mechanic shop, and hopefully he get working on the car right then. If not, hopefully the car is done within the next 2 weeks, because you feel me, I miss driving that car. I miss driving this car too, man. I love just riding around and being in the old school, and then the older folks will look at me and be like, aren't you a little too young to be driving an old car like this? It's just the fact that I love a lot of these older cars more than I like these newer cars. The only newer car that I'm really obsessed with is the newer Charger. And I'm really a Mopar guy at heart, but I love my Chevy and my Chevy motors. But yeah, like I was saying, I love driving my older cars, and like I said, the older folks look at me and be like, you too young, ain't you too young to be driving this type of car? This car was out way before you was even born, all that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? I just be like, at heart, I'm an old soul, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, I'm finna get ready to box this back up, get ready to drop it off to the mechanic shop, and yeah, see what he say. And I'm gonna update y'all with what he say about the car and all that type of stuff once I finish dropping it off. So yeah, I will catch y'all after I drop off this stuff for the car to get done, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I can't wait to see the car when it's finished. Alright y'all, so that was gonna be the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed, you know what I'm saying. Wasn't really much going on in this video besides me just showing y'all the floor pans that they actually came in. And you feel me, I just finished dropping them off. He said he gonna get the car pulled in and he gonna get to work on it, you know what I'm saying. Floor pans, weather stripping, the T-top seals, T-top trim, the floor pedal or the throttle cable, and He gonna pull out my rear bumper a little bit for me, so my reverse light will be lined up with my tail light like it's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? So that's everything that should be getting done. Like I said, front and rear floor pans, weather stripping, the T-top trim seal, the throttle cable, and the rear bumper, you feel me, getting pulled out a little bit. So yeah, like I said, hopefully the car be done soon. I don't want it rushed, because I want the car to be just right, you feel me, to where I don't have to go back and get all that stuff redone again, you feel me? So I've been patient so far. I'm gonna keep being patient, you feel me? I'm not gonna rush to get my car back, you feel me? It's not really a rush, even though it's a lot I still gotta do. I still want that stuff to come out, you feel me, perfect, just right, you know? So like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. We got the floor pans in. If y'all was wondering where to get them from, it's classic to current fabrication.com, you feel me? That's where I got my floor pans from. Came in really fast shipping, you feel me? It wasn't slow. It took, like I said, about three to 5 business days, and it came in on 3 business days, you feel me? I ordered it on a Friday, it came in on a Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you feel me? So yeah, weekends, people don't count those as business days, but if you want to count that, then it came in 5 days. So like I said, good shipping, fast shipping. They kept me updated in emails. It's not a sponsor. I wish it would. I wish some company would sponsor me on these bills, because these bills are expensive. But other than that, man, the car's getting finished. It's getting worked on. So I'm happy, you feel me? I'm blessed, and I'm able to be able to afford this, even though I'm not working. I'm blessed that I'm able to, you feel me, get this stuff done. So like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Road to 3,000 family members, you feel me, on YouTube, on here. So make sure y'all subscribe, and then follow my Instagram. It's at 01Deuce, 01Deuce. Road to 2,000 followers on Instagram, so make sure y'all follow my Instagram. And like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Wise words from Rod Wave. If you got dreams, you gotta chase them. It's as simple as that, you feel me? It's as simple as that. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.